Hi everybody, this is Dr. Ho. So this week we're going to do activity relating two masses connected by a light string, okay, and running over a pulley. Okay, so here on this side we have a heavier mass and it's connected to a string to a lighter mass, and we're going to run it over a pulley. So now the angle is very small, okay, as you can see in this ramp here. So if I release, okay, the lighter mass will pull this along, okay, because this track is not very rough. So if I let go, okay, it will just accelerate, okay. However, if I slowly increase the angle of the tilt, okay, at some point, so now it's still going down. So at some point, the sinker, the masses, okay, will stop to move, okay. Let me just come to yes. So about this angle, okay, it will stop to move. Okay, so maybe let me just take a measurement of um, this height here, and from there you can deduce the angle. Okay. Um, so here, if you take a reading, this is about 25 to 26 cm. Okay, so here we're not doing a very accurate measurement, but we just want you to get a rough idea, and then here we can do a measurement. And the length of this ramp that we have here, okay, it's 66 centimeters. Okay, it's about 66 centimeters. So we can make an approximation of the angle when this thing happens. Okay. Um, so let me even increase the angle further. So maybe you like to guess what's going to happen. Okay, if we increase the angle even larger. Okay, so off the edge of the pulley here, you have a lighter mass, and this is a heavier mass. So if I increase the angle, okay, so at this time, both masses are not moving. Okay, and increase the angle. Okay, so at some point, okay, the system starts to move in the other direction. Okay, it's going down along the direction of the heavier mass. Okay, so let me just try to do it again. Okay, very carefully. Okay, so it starts to move. Okay, at this certain point. So now your job is to reduce the angle, um, this larger angle that the heavier mass starts to move along the slope. Okay, based on your first calculations. Okay, so there are two more pieces of information that you need. Okay, you need the mass of the two sinkers. Okay, so here, okay, let me just measure the mass for you. So the heavier sinker here is given as 49 grams. Okay, and the lighter one. Okay, so we ignore the mass of the paper clip. Okay, that is connected to. The mass of the lighter one, it's 32 grams. Okay. So using the first measurement of the angle, okay, we have 66 cm and the height of 26 cm, and the mass of the heavier sinker to be 49 grams, and the mass of the lighter sinker to be 32 grams. So I want you to work it out, to work out and predict, okay, the larger angle, beta, given in the question, that where this sliding, the direction will be reversed. Okay. Okay, so that's all.